We must call on the police to arrest PK Salaysia immediately. And if the police don't arrest Salaysia, we are not going to wait until Walunya is dead again for us to start marching, for us to start protesting. We are going to call for protest until this act is brought to book, until PK Salaysia is arrested. Mr. President, kindly act with speed. Empower MCS. Give MCS enough security. We represent people. We are close to the people on the ground. That is why Honorable Walunya was unable to protect himself yesterday. Honorable PK lands on him with blows and slaps. He tries to run away. He lands in the hands of his bodyguards. You know, even if you are a bodyguard to an MP, protect any other leader who is also present there. Not that you are protecting an MP fighting the other leader who has been fought by that particular MP. Mumias East people feel like maybe Honorable Ben Washiali should go back and start acting as early as now to bring order in Mumias East constituency. Otherwise, it is not good, it is not better, and it's going to be worse. We need to come to order and proclaim better leadership, skills, and style in the entire Kakamega County.